Hey everybody, backyard scrapping here. We're just going to do another quick mail call. This looks like our other package that Lake House Beach said he was going to send. So, I see he's getting like me, he's reusing envelopes. But anyway, I figured I'd change up today, use my little Damascus. Let's see what he sent us. Let's see, got it taped up good. He said he was going to send something else when I got his package when he was in Colorado. So oh, dude. Hey, hey, Dino. I might have designed a special logo for you and put it on coasters. Laugh out loud. Not knowing for sure if you would like the design, I only did a test run. If you do like this LHB rendition of Backyard Scrapping 13 Skull logo, I can email you the artwork so you can put it on whatever stickers, magnets, coasters, or whatever you have. Hope you like it, brother. And I did put one out to keep for myself. Do with the extras as you please. Thanks for everything, bro. Lake House Beach. That is pretty friggin' cool. Can you guys see that? That is awesome. Well, little bro, I do like them. And yes, you could go ahead and email me the artwork. That is really cool. Well, you said it was a surprise. That's definitely a surprise and a good one. That is freaking awesome. I hope you guys can see that good because I'm down here and the camera's up there. That is, yes, definitely email me that artwork. Most definitely. Little brother, thank you very much. And I like that, just the plain, just the 13 underneath like that. That's really cool. I do appreciate it. I also love this one of yours that you did. I like that that one stays on my desk. And I guess I'll have to have two cold ones now. Not to have one of these on my desk. Little bro, thanks a lot. We'll see you all in the next video. Go check out Lake House Beach. If you haven't, I know most of you know exactly who I'm talking about. But if you haven't checked out his channel, go check him out. We will see you all next time. Have a good one.